Hi viewers, hope all of you are having good time. Today I'm gonna introduce with you a very special IP camera. The box is in my hand and this is from Maysort, the model number VR13E. So let's have a look what is inside in the box. First thing, we can see there is a user manual. And this is the bulb with IP camera. It is connected. There is a bulb socket and this is thread type. And this bulb has a IP camera. This part is for IP camera and this part is for bulb. There is a safe using electricity card, and this is this tools is for to connect with the wall or ceiling, mountain. How to connect this one. Also there is a pin. You can see this pin is for reset. Look at the product. This is the product. I already told this part is for the light and this part is for the lens. That is panoramic lens, and this lens can monitor each and every corner of your room or business. And there is no battery in this bulb, so there is no DC connection with this bulb. So only there is a one thread bulb holder. So I need to connect with this bulb with this thread bulb holder. And one more thing, there is a reset option, so user can use this pin to reset this IP camera. And there is also one IP address here. So now I'm going to connect with bulb holder. After connecting bulb holder, I need to reset. System is starting.
System startup completed. Restore factory default settings. Access point establishing.
Yeah, so reset is complete. Right now, one more thing that is important.
Access point established.
User manual is very important to read. So any user need to read this user manual very carefully. First thing, we need to, while we running this one, we need to download one app, and this is the scan. And also from the user manual you can see this scan code, and this scan code and this app can support only iOS and Android system. Also there is the link for this app. The app name is download B380S app. So you can download this app from the internet also. After getting connection with this IP address, user need to move on this app. This is B380 app. So right now I'm going to open this one and click local login. After clicking local login, there is a plus symbol on the right corner of the page. After clicking here, then user will get add networked device. Click here. After then user will get LAN search. So need to click LAN search, that is local access network. After clicking here, there is a similar IP address which is this IP camera address. After clicking play, it will be set password. It will ask for setting password. So user can set password whatever user want. After setting password, they will ask twice password. One is for new password. After then user need to retype this password. After retyping this password, need to click on confirm. Then here is written configuration is successful. Right now, if user click the play button, then it will come to the panoramic view, and there is the option for light. User can light on or user can light off by using this app. Also, there are some functions on this app. One is screenshot. So if user need to take one screenshot, then user can take one screenshot, and this is for audio mute. So if user want to mute this audio system, then user also can mute this audio system. And this is for all to talk, because there is one speaker here. If any user says something, then this speaker will repeat. And this is setup mode, and this is right now it's panoramic mode, and you can change this one. And also have mode, preview mode. There are a couple of modes. This is one mode, and this is other mode. This is other mode. So whatever user want, they can change their mode, and this viewing according to this IP address. And also there is the date and time here, and this is for all for this system. And after that I will show some other connection. First I need to reset. I reset that system is starting. So viewers, now I need to move on setting. I need to check the Wi-Fi connection. First I need to connect with this MV 29006.551. This IP address is for this IP camera, so I need to connect with this one. So I'm pressing connect. Now it's connected. So I will move to this app, which is V380. Now I'm going to press local login, and there is a plus symbol on the right corner, on the top right corner. So now I will press new device configuration. So after pressing new device configuration, I need to connect with this connection, and this is my regular Wi-Fi connection. So they are asking this device is asking to give the password. I mean, this is my regular Wi-Fi connection, so I will give my regular Wi-Fi connections password. Now I'm going to save this one. So it's the device is saying that Wi-Fi is connecting. So it started to searching this IP camera. Device is saying that Wi-Fi connected, so it is connected with this Wi-Fi, and it is connected with my regular Wi-Fi connection. So I'm going to press play. So device asks to set the password. So whatever I want, I can give the password. Now configuration change successful. Now I'm going to play this one. Yep, so it's work nicely. Record the video that time I need to do. This is SD slot, so I can fix here, I can install here one SD slot, I mean SD memory card. So up to 64 GB I can install. If I want to record my video, then I can use one SD slot. Without SD slot or without SD card, it will not record the video. So if any user want to record his or her video, then he or she can use one SD card and install here.